Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the update for XRP. Look at this, the news, XRP price analysis, XRP gains another 35% in the last 24 hours. Can XRP price break $2? We will check this now. Here is the coin market cap, and you can see here XRP is on place number 4, and you can see a plus about 9% on the day. And look at this, 118% in the week, guys. This coin is momently exploding, and we will check it, what's going on with this coin here. Look at this chart picture here, 24 hours, 8%, and 7 days, 1 week. Look at this nice upgoing chart picture. So let's check it. Here is XRP. The quick overview of Tradingview is telling us buy XRP, strong buy XRP. But look at the oscillators, they are telling us sell. So attention guys, 4 hours. What's going on here? Also a buy signal, a strong buy signal, and a neutral on the oscillators on 1 hour. We have a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral. And on 15 minutes, also we have a buy, a strong buy, and a buy on oscillators. So most things are telling us buy XRP. Guys, here is the chart, my last video, my last analysis for XRP. And look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the 4 hour chart. This was our triangle. And guys, I told you, if we will break out the triangle on 67 cents, I will make a long position here with a confirmed breakout. And my target is this point, 161.8% on $1.46. This is my take profit because this is the Fibonacci line, 161.8. And look at this one here. We hit it perfect. It was a perfect hit to this line. I took profit, and this was a mega nice trade, guys. This was a very nice trade. Look at this thing here. If you bought here on 70 cents maybe to the upside here, as I told you, look at this, 100% trade. A 100% trade without leverage and nothing like this, only a 100% trade. So guys, that's the 4 hour chart for XRP. But now let's check this. What's going on? What is the next target? Is the next target to the upside $2? You can see it. This is the next Fibonacci line we have to watch, 261.8% on $2. And this is showing us maybe, can XRP price break $2? Yes, it can. Guys, yes, it can. I can tell you, yes, it can. Let's check this. Start with the weekly, and let's remove all here. Let's remove the drawings and this stuff here. And this is the weekly XRP chart picture here. So look at this one here. This was the highest point, the last highest point. And look at this weekly candle, guys. This candle is 1 week. Look at this. Look at the MACD. Ultra bullish here. Look at this one. This is amazing. This candle has now time to close 4 hours. And yes, I have a problem with this candle, a little problem. Why I have this problem? You can see I hate wicks, and you know I hate big wicks to the upside. Here, big wicks to the upside, bam, it's going down. Big wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Wick to the upside, it may go down. If this wick will stay as it is, we have 4 hours to close this candle. And another thing we have to watch that's very important, guys, that's this point here. This was the last high here on this point, and we spiked to this point. Extremely attention momently, guys, for this point. We need to watch this $1.50. This is a big resistance for the moment. And you know, guys, a resistance is always red. Sorry, it's not. This one is better working here. So this is the big resistance we have to watch on the 1 week chart. For sure, this is the biggest thing for the moment we have to watch. And you know, guys, the next Fibonacci lines. Let's check the daily chart. What's going on here? The daily chart for XRP. What is telling us the daily chart? Nothing, because my internet is not working. Yes, here it is. Yes, we spiked correctly to this resistance perfectly, and now we have a big wick to the upside, a big wick to the downside, and it's an unsure closing candle. Guys, important. If this candle will close today to the downside, we have a big wick to the upside, and we may see a retracement here. So we have to watch this. Very important. Also, we can watch now a Fibonacci to the downside, maybe to the deepest point like this here, because this is momently the thing we have to watch. This is the golden pocket 78.6. This is a big support now. This point here, $1.26, a big support for XRP. If we're coming down again here, this is a thing we have to watch. The next thing we have to watch on the daily chart is this point here, $1.05 or 7 cents. That's also a next big support, because this is the 61.8 Fibonacci line. So yes, it's still possible to come down here a little bit to see a retracement, a little retracement here. If you sold here on $1.50, you can be lucky because it's going down now a little bit and can rebuy XRP here, maybe a little bit cheaper here. This would be a very nice thing here. So we have to watch these things for the near future, guys. The MACD on the daily is ultra bullish. Look at this. It's a blue line, a long way over the brown line. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. Let's check now the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart for XRP. What's going on here? This is a 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart, we can now draw here our lovely parallel channel from the downside to the upside. And no, this was not good. This was not so good. This is better. And to the upside. This is our parallel channel working to the upside. And on the 4-hour chart, you can see we are still over the middle line. The middle line is our friend here. For the moment, it's a very nice support line here. As long as we are over this middle line, you know, guys, this is a big thing we have to watch. This is a support. You can see on the 4-hour chart, a big wick to the downside and the next candle to the upside, big wick to the downside, next candle to the upside. As long as we are buying this big wicks to the downside, everything is nice, everything is okay. You saw here this big wick to the upside, and then the next candles closing under this one here. So the next big thing to watch is for sure this lows. We are now building higher lows, and that's a very nice thing here. We have to watch this. These are all higher lows. There's no lower low. Here was a low, here was also a low, and these are higher lows. But for the moment, we are building also lower highs. So that's a big thing we have to watch now for the moment. What is telling us the EMA ribbon? Yes, it's coming from the downside. A nice support. Everything is okay. MA21, also a nice support from the downside. Everything is okay here, guys. Let's check the 1-hour chart here. For the 1-hour chart, we have a little bit of problem, guys. Look at this. The MACD is bearish. Blue line under the brown line. Okay, for the 1-hour chart, not so good. We are fighting with the ribbon band. But the baddest thing is for the moment, we are under the MA21 in the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, it's not the importance thing ever, but it's always a thing we have to watch because it's now a resistance. You can see here the spike over this, not a confirmed breakout, closing candle under this. Not so good. Now is the next try. The next try for a candle to fight over this. 8 minutes left for this candle to fight over this MA21 now. So next thing we have to watch, in this opinion, maybe it's the RSI. What's going on with the RSI? Let me check the relative strength index. RSI, let's check this one here. So the RSI is going down a little bit. It's not overbought, it's not oversold or something like this. 58 points. Okay, everything is okay. We have also a thing to watch maybe for the RSI. This is this trend line from the upside. Oh, from this side over to this side. This is the trend line. Okay, we have a lot of space to the upside for the moment, so it's possible to go up here and more to maybe 70 points, because this is the biggest thing we have to watch here for the RSI. This is our resistance line for the relative strength index. We have to watch this. From the downside is coming also the EMA 200. Very nice. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. One thing we have also to watch, if this is, and that's the bad thing, guys, if this was the Elliott wave theory. Let me check this. If this was the 5-wave Elliott impulse wave theory, the upgoing thing, you know that, guys, from the deepest side, maybe from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. It's not so important how it's working, but it's important to see maybe this is now the retracement. And if this is the retracement, we may have a point A, a point B, and maybe we have to stay attention, guys, a point C to the downside. It's possible to see maybe a little downgoing XRP if this will play out like this here. Not confirmed, not important. It's maybe a little future glass reading, magic glass reading, but guys, it's possible to see maybe a little downgoing thing here for XRP. Why not? So XRP versus Bitcoin. What is going on here? Let me check this very quick here on the 1-hour chart. we have this picture here. Okay, really nice. And yes, we have a really nice uptrend. This uptrend is working since long time here on the 1 hour chart, and we are over the middle line. And also XRP versus Bitcoin, we are fighting with the MA21 on the 1 hour chart. You can see it here really clearly. Momently versus Bitcoin, we are over the MA21. It would be nice for this candle 6-minute to close over this MA21 with the next candle to the upside. This would be very nice. Maybe we see more mooning and pushing on XRP versus dollar also here, because it's very important, the work against XRP versus Bitcoin, sorry. And this is a nice thing now, guys. It's a very nice thing and very nice picture, a very nice upgoing trend here for XRP versus Bitcoin. And XRP is momently outperforming Bitcoin here. I know most altcoins are momently outperforming Bitcoin. That's for sure. You can see it here also. Let me check this one. Here is the Bitcoin dominance. And look at this. Bitcoin dominance is on 54.3%. So yes, the altcoins are mooning. Bitcoin is going down. You have to know Bitcoin dominance was on 70% for some weeks. Now it is going down 54%. Yes, the altcoins are mooning. XRP is also mooning here with this thing here. And you can see it's a strong candle, a very strong candle against Bitcoin. 5-minute to close. And yes, possible, very possible to see a closing candle over this MA21. This is a very bullish sign. Guys, that's the picture about XRP. XRP is momently very nice, going to the upside. And I think it's possible to moon more and more and more. And yes, guys, it's possible to see $2 very soon. Why not? It's still on the way to the upside. A little retracement, maybe to the downside, a retest of the golden pocket 78.6, maybe a rebuy point, a good one here on this side. Look at $1.25, and then maybe a next pump to the upside. It's not impossible, but as long as we are over the middle line, as I told you, the next thing is the all-time, the last high, not the all-time high, the last high, $1.50, and then bam, let's go up to this point here. Let's reach our $2. If you are trading XRP, why not? It's still possible, guys. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Last but not least, this is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is on Twitch only. The name is Crypto Trading Informant, and you have here 9 cryptos: Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, XLM, ADA, BNB, DOT, IOTA, and XRP on the down right side. And you can see here everything you want, everything you need, guys. Everything you want, yes. Here you can see the sell point. Here was the perfect place to sell, and I sold here on $1.50 my XRP. You can see here buy position, sell positions, or signals. Sorry, these are signals. You have here the MACD on the downside. You have here also the Fibonacci line. You have really all you need for your coins for trading. Please visit this channel and support your BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Guys, thank you very much, and I wish you a nice time. I hope we see us on the next video here in my live stream. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.
System activated.